What is web development? Web development consists in different processes followed by a web developer to create a web application. In general, the processes followed by a web developer are analysis, design, implementation, test, release, monitoring, and maintenance. Web developer usually don't follow each step of this set, but he can use only some of them. Analysis is the start point of the web development. Analysis help web developer to gathering necessary informations for the creation of the project. Gathering informations help him to choose best technology implementation for the project. Design process define the structure and the graphic of the web application. This process help to speed up the realization process, because web developer follow clear and design path. Usually web developer don't do this process, or he do very quickly, because the company want the product as soon as possible. Implementation process consists to write the application with the choose programming language. This process is usually approached as first step by a web developer. This is a mistake, because follow a design structure can improve the writing code of the web application. Test. In this step, a web developer check if his code work correctly or not. Test process can be made by manually test or automatic test. Manually test is an approach where web developer try directly web application. Automatic test can check the functions of the application without web developer intervention. If the test process probe the application work as expected, web developer can release the web application for the users, company, or other use. Monitoring is the process where web developer observe if the web application is working correctly. Monitoring process include the structure of the web application, like server, database, and network. Monitoring process is very important to reveal some bug or problem. Maintenance process consists to support the structure and web application for a long time. This process include update of the operating system, upgrade of the server when necessary, fix security issue, update web application functionality, and more.